Alright guys, today we are going to create this nice carousel. As we know, creating carousel can be a little bit challenging, but don't worry, today I'm going to show it to you how to add in Figma video animation, as you can see in front of me right now. And I'm going to show you how to add some nice interaction with the videos, and you can also add some like focus time. For example, now we are only focused on this video. All these other picture you are seeing here is they are not picture, as you guess it, is they are also videos. You can just, okay, let's move on. When you click on this arrow, it goes to the next video, as you can see, and automatically the next one will be and black and white, which will be like it's going to only focus on the current video. We go to the next one, the same things. This video will move on this. Okay, and also, as you can see, it's not only here we can have the interaction. You can also, maybe for example, you want to reach out to this video automatically, but the moment you click on it, automatically you have it here, as easy as it is, guys. So just will be with me at the end of the video. Also, I'm going to give you some tips and some nice bonus carousel. For now, let's jump in and create this nice animation together. All right, and create this nice animation together. All right. Alright guys, as always, we start from scratch. We're just going to click on the new design file, and then it's going to open us this nice whiteboard. And then let's just, first of all, before we jump into the page section, guys, this video is going to be as quick as I can. Like, I'm going to make it shorter. And okay, let me just say, okay, video carousel. Okay guys, then I misspelled it, my bad, sorry. Then we are just going to create our, as usual, you know already, we can just going to create our design section. Okay, and then we can add one page which will be maybe our cover. Okay, you need to have this habit, like always you need to structure your files, so it will be more easier for you as a UI UX designer, guys. And then we are going to move with okay, we have design, we have component. Then we'll have a component. I will just drag and drop. Okay, cover, drag. I will need also archive. As you know, designer always, guys, we can have some ideation. So to avoid to do all the, the design and your ideation here, you can just jump in the archive, create your ideation. When you have the real idea and the visual you want, you just move it in the design section. Okay guys, as usual, you can just press F, or you can go here and select frame. Now you can just choose maybe, okay, let's go to the desktop and then text. Guys, I'm going a little bit fast. If you think like all these options you are not getting it right, I'm going so fast. I can just going back to my previous video where I go slowly as I can to make it more clear for you and learn more about the tools of Figma if you are new on this channel. Alright guys, let's just give it a color, and then we can just move on. Let me just, maybe you can give any color you want. Okay, alright, so let me just say I'm giving it video carousel. So I start writing this because it will be more easier for me to know the location of my project. For example, if you are someone who work on really many projects, it will be hard for you to find the project, believe me. Video carousel. Alright guys, let me just maybe give it 300, and then I will choose maybe Poppins. Okay, then I will just say okay, center it. Okay, I think it's too much, maybe 200. Yeah, and then center it. It's still too much, maybe 150. So you can do whatever you want, guys. I just want to make it more quicker to find. Always I start like this, so I will keep my habit, and I really encourage you to do the same things. Maybe I will like to style it. Okay, let me just pick it. Yeah, okay. Then I have my video carousel. I will jump on. We finish right now with the okay, let me just say cover. I just go to the design section. Okay guys, as we can see here, let's jump back to the design. We can split. We have, as you can see, the first one, the first videos section is, I think it took like more bigger than others. Okay, so that give it this nice animation, as you can see. So what we are going to do now, we're going to first of all create have the structure of these. For now I use only 5 videos, so I think it's enough. Yeah, as you can see, also the text change. So mainly let me explain you how the structure is. First we will have this for the prototyping. We have this, then the second one will have, all of them will have their own text. That's why you are seeing the text is changing. Okay, all of them will have their own text. So let's jump in. I'm going to change the color of my background, maybe somewhere else here. Okay, I think we okay. And then let's go back to choose our frame. When you come to the frame, you can choose any screen you want, but for me I like going with the desktop. All right, so we have it here. So most of the time for me, I will not start designing here. I go to the component, bring my component here if it's about the carousel, guys. And then maybe let me just first of all try to see, okay, how long I need the carousel will be the first one. So basically I go to the rectangle, or you can press R and then you come here, try to center it. I think this look great. So the value is 395 and 599. Okay, let me just make it 600. Yeah, okay, you know what, let me just get 400 with 600, 400 and 600. Yeah, all right, so this is our first, this one, the focus one. I believe, I think is enough for now. Yes, or maybe if I make it a little bit big, no, I think let's leave it like this, 400 and 600. So I will move it. I did the Control X, just okay, let me just bring it back to not confusing you guys. Just you can come here, you can copy it. All right, you can copy it, but for me I like doing Control X to take it and bring it here. So I have it here. Okay, you can say maybe you even the component, to not confusing yourself, you can just go to the frame and then create the same frame, and maybe I will change also the background color so it will look the same, and then bring it inside. So this is what we have so far. Okay guys, now we have our first section, which is this. So then we are going to create these two. So for that, to make it easy, you can just duplicate it. Okay, so by duplicating it, I will just press N until it will come on the center. So I'm going to, I can change the name section, or I can just say video 1. Okay, you can name it as you want. Okay, then now I'm going to duplicate it. You can do anything you want. I like to press Control D. Control D, I duplicate it and then move it a little bit here. Okay, you know what, let me just change the color so you guys can, before we upload the video. For now we are not going to focus on the video now. Okay, as you can see here, we have video 1, video 2. So take the video, I'm naming it video 2. Okay, this video 2 is coming below this. So for that, let me just reduce the size. As you can see, you can reduce the size like this. You can reduce the size like this, but not looking nice, guys. If you look at here, this is going from the top. Okay, let me just zoom it so you guys can see. As you can see, this one is going from the top. If I draw the line, if I draw a line from here, it's going top. So that means what? It's going from the top to down. So let me just show you how to do it in Figma. So this can give us really a good shape. you can just select the rectangle you want. You know what, let's just give it a default image and go to Unsplash. If you don't have Unsplash, you can just go to the plugin here and the type plugin and type Unsplash is here. You can see this logos here. So Unsplash will open like this. Let me just take something randomly and then maybe I will choose these images. Don't worry, we will come back to the video. I just want to have some default things so that you guys will not be confused. So first of all, as you can see, let me just bring the size back. Let's say this. Okay, we have this. So for us to have this nice shape here, let me just select we have this edit object. When you click on it, see you have this 4 dot. Okay, there will be another dot when you hover, but we are only focused on this dot that I'm going to bring a little bit down, as you can see, like this. Yeah, you can see something like this. So this is how you can create the nice looking shape, as you can see here. Okay guys, so I encourage you to, let me just do another one again so you guys can do it from your side and try to, maybe you can just also reduce the size a little bit down, a little bit, I mean a little bit, not fully. So all right, now I have this. I will just copy it. Okay, I will try to copy it like this, and then to have, as you can see, Figma make things easy for us. You can just come here, flip horizontal, so it will flip the images. Okay, let me just Control Z and show it again. As you can see, you can just do flip horizontal, so you have these two nice shape. And then you can do again one more things. Maybe I will just move it inside a little bit, something like this. Yeah, so I will again copy this. I'm pressing Alt. Okay, Alt Shift, so that if you press only Alt, yeah, it will copy, but you can move it. But you press Shift, it will stay in the line. So maybe I have this one like this. Okay, all right, let me just bring it down here. I'm going to change the color so you guys can see. You can color pick, and then I will redo the same things like this. Okay guys, yeah, so this one need to go I think down, yeah, and then this one will have the gray color. All right guys, as you can see, we have this. It's looking nice, right? It's looking nice as we have here. Okay, maybe this, the back side will be a little bit down, and this will be a little bit down, this will be a little bit down, this one also a little bit down. All right guys, so now as I have this here, what we are going to do, I'm just going to give it random. Let me just give it random images. We are going to use our plugin, which is Unsplash, and then maybe, so on Unsplash, if you want to insert many images, you can just long press on one of the image. For example, if I want this image, long press on it, and then it will give you option to select many images. Okay, let me just use the random images. I need 4 images, so I have 4 images. It will just take a little bit time. And then okay, it's going faster. Nice. All right, now we have this. I think it's looking much closer than this, right? Don't worry about the videos. We will go to the videos. I think I'll change these images here. Okay guys, so this is what we have. We already have this image. Maybe I will choose another one. Yeah, so this is what we have so far. For now, what we are going to do, we are going to implement this option here, that I'm just, maybe let me just write some text here. Okay, don't forget to close this and then change the value of the maybe 40. And then I'm going to show you a plugin that I use in my daily basics. When you press T for writing, yeah, you can have the text you want, anything. But for me, let me choose the maybe 20, and then not bold, regular. As I said, I'm going a little bit fast, so you guys can go back to my previous video, and then you can find the videos that going really slow to teach you Figma and the UI UX in easiest way. Okay, we have this content reel. You can also have it the same things. Okay guys, if you need any plugin, just come here and then write the name. For example, this one, I'm looking for content reel. Okay, it's writing here. Sorry guys, it's right because I already opened the plugin. Let me just go back to, then you can write content reel. Yeah, you have it here, so you can save it if you don't have it. For me, I don't already have it, and then you can run it. So it will give you many options to have a content, to have some images, some avatars, you name it. I give you time to go through it. For me, I'm looking for only text, so I just press apply. As you can see, I have the image here, so maybe you can just, yeah, something like this, and then it's the left align, so you can make it center. So say we have it here. Now we have what left? We have the arrow. As you can see, we have this arrow left. Let's just go back, and then we can have, oh, I forgot something. We need to name our videos. So first of all, video 1, and then this one will be, okay, we are going to start from here. 1, 2, 3. You can name it anything you want. Okay, let me just say this one is 2, and then this one is 3, this one is 4, this one is 5. All right, now we are going for the arrow. You can go to the rectangle section. We have arrow here. You can also use some plugins, but in this video I'm going to use let me just zoom it. When you are drawing an arrow or any line, you see, as you can see, is moving, so you need to press shift so that you'll have it. When you press shift, see, is either going in an horizontal or vertical or in the corner. So you guys can choose anything you want, but for now let's do something like this. Yeah, all right, so then I will maybe just duplicate it so I will have the same size. Yeah, I'm maybe here. So I like using the, wait, yeah, I like using the horizontal option, so it will shift like this. Yeah, as you can see guys, it's looking nice, right? We have everything. Oh, I forget the headline. Let's break it a little bit down, and then I will copy the same things at the top. So maybe I can just reduce the content, and then I will have this. So let me just bring it in the middle, and this one I will going to give it bold for the hierarchy, and then I will make it 24 so people will know this is the headline. All right guys, so now we have everything. I mean, we have everything we want for implementing it. So you can just select all, you can select all of them and then frame them. When you frame them, because we are going to create the prototype, I frame them like this. Then we can just say, I can just say first carousel. Okay, first carousel. So let me just make it in middle. I think it's looking nice. Let me open it in prototype. Before the prototype open, let me just come here, and then, yeah, I think it's looking nice. It's uploading the images. As you can see, look at that guys, it's looking more clean, right? Now we are going just to implementing the videos. All right, so having the videos, I will include in a file I'll include a file and the link below in the description so you guys can download the videos I'm going to use. The videos I use here also, you can have it in the link below. But for now, to show you how you can have your own videos, I'm just going to show you Plex here. Plex is not an advertising, guys. It just, I'm using it really in daily basics, and I believe you guys can have more value on this. So you can just go video here, choose any video you want. Okay, let's say this one. You can just press on it and then download it for free. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. For now, I'm going to pause the video and download 5 videos, and then we can just continue on that, guys. Alright guys, I hope you downloaded the videos you want. So for now, for me, I already downloaded it. I have it in my folder. So what we are going to do for us, in order for us to have this nice animation here, as you can see here. So what we are going to do, we are going to take it. I know, yeah, we already have, just move it outside of the frame. Okay, so now we have this. What we're going to do, just go, for example, I'm going to select this, and then I don't need this, just press on the videos. We already choose this, like video work only in pay version. So if you have the free version, unfortunately I don't think you can use that video version. So for me, I already have the pay version. Let's jump in, go to find our videos we are looking for, and then we can just, alright guys, I just want to mention that if you want to use the video version, like to be able to use videos, I think you need to be in the pay version. So if you don't have the pay version, unfortunately I don't think you can use it. Yeah, for me I have the pay version, so you can just go here, press, and it will directly open your local files and choose the video you want, the one you download from Pixel. Okay, so for me I download some different images, videos. So let me go, I'm just going to do the same things we did. Okay, so you can follow the same things, and then I'm going to pause the video to not making it too long. I already show you how you can upload all the videos. I'm going to upload all the 5 videos, and then I will just get back to you guys. Alright guys, I hope you upload all your videos. Yeah, no, just not watching the video. I really encourage you to follow me one by one and do all the steps so that you can have the knowledge how to make it. So what do we have? I think it's look more closer than what we have here, but as you can see, the first video is playing and the other is stop, and then we have this focus a color, like, which is white, black. So what we are going to do now, let me just maybe, okay, let me just do it here, and then you can come here. We have this layout, and layout section you can just go to pass through, and then maybe we can choose the, as you can see, when you are hovering, it will show you how it's going to look. For me, I'm going to choose the luminosity. Okay, and then I will do it one by one for all of the videos, and then I will go in here, same things, luminosity, and then I will do the same things, luminosity. Yeah, look at that, so easy, right? So let me just drag it back here to show you guys that everything is working perfectly. Let me just come here, and then as you can see, now all the videos is working, all of them is playing, right? But for us, we want this video stop and this to stop, only this one is focus. So how can we do that? I think it's too easy, right? Just let's go, let's choose one of the video. Okay, you can come here on the prototype section, then you will have, when you come to prototype section, you will see autoplay, right? You can just remove the autoplay for all of the videos that you don't want them to play autoplay. So I'm just going to remove the autoplayer. Now let's come back here, and then you can just refresh it by pressing R or open the prototype. So I'm pressing R, Okay, let me see what is going on here. Okay, let me just see something. Yeah, I think we just need to remove this autoplay. Yeah, because sometimes Figma will take time to upload the changes you make for the videos, because it's still, I can say, new things. So you can just open the prototype. Oh yeah, look at that. You see, it's the same things. There is no, it's just like from Figma the backcam. Okay, you can just remove the autoplayer. I think that's all, and then only this one have the autoplayer. As you can see, so all of them, they are stop, and only we have this one who is playing. Look at that, we have the same things here, right? That look wonderful. Okay, let's move on, guys. Now is the most challenging part. You guys need to really focus on this section. Let's go, and then let's try to see how we can create the prototype as easy as it is. Alright guys, so here is the things. Let's make it, I know it will be a little bit maybe confusing, but it's the most fastest way like that you guys can capture, and it will really make you look more, I can say, professional. Don't make the prototype like duplicating the pages and then go, for example, you have different this one here, this one here, this one, and then link them, do the prototype. No, for now, today we are going to focus on the how to make the link on the prototype through the component section. You will have this, which you can have the shortcut, which is Alt Command K. So you can just press the component, as you can see, is become purple, and then you can add the variant. When you add the variant, another section will add. So we'll need how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5. So for now we have only 2. Then we press on this plus, we have 3, this plus 4, this plus 5. So this is what we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you guys can say, oh, this is too much, this is, but believe me, trust me, it will be more easier than you think. So what you are going to do, you see the structure. What we want is when I press this one, this video come here, and then this one will come here. As you can see, yeah, it will take you a little bit time to catch up, but by the moment you finish the two, it will come automatically. When you press this, it will come here, and then it starts playing, but this one will come here and they stop. Let me just go back to the prototype. For example, this one is playing. When you press this arrow, it's come here, okay, and then this one is playing, the next one move in. So then next time this one will come here, this one will play, and then this one will come here. As you can see, when I press here, this move, this books come here, and then this one is playing. So this is the structure we are going to do. So what you are going to do now is easy, guys, don't worry. Just press on this video, okay, this one, and then go here. Then what you will do, upload this video, this one, the one you have closer to it, upload it here, and then change this video to here. Okay guys, so I'm going to do it that front of you. I press this, it will open for me my videos, and then I press this one. So now I have this video here, this one. Then I will go here to change this video to this. So it's just like know how to shift things. It's your job as UI UX design to come up with the ideation, how you are structure everything. As you can see, this video came, then this video will shift to the back here. So then you keep doing it. I'm just showing you one by one with all steps, so you guys can do it for the others. I will stop the video and then you guys can follow. So now this video which is here, it will come here, okay, because it's shift to come in this position. That's why I'm going to move this video to here. Which one is that? This one. Okay, you don't need to worry about the the styling is already coming by default. So this books will shift to here because you already have this one here. I guess you understand. If you didn't get it, just go back to the video, step by step. I believe you can come up with this structure. As you can see now, we have this shift here, it come here, this come here, this will move to here, and then this one move a little bit here. So this is how the carousel work. Yeah, so I'm going to stop the video again and then do it for all the other videos, and then we can move on, guys. All right, guys, I hope you did what I asked you to do. You just need to go through one by one, and then you can have the structure. Yeah, you can just move this one, and then next one will come, this one will go to the next. As you can see, let me just do this video come here, which is here, and then this video move here, and then it come here. So then the next one will come at the first, then and so on, and you can see and so on before. And then we have this lady come here, this one move here, this one move, the ladies move here, the book come here, all this. So now that we have all this structure, guys, you can just go to make the prototype. Now everything is done. Maybe you can, what you can do before even making the prototype, you can just maybe change the content. You can add a new content as you want. For me, I'm lazy, yeah. I'm just going to change so you guys can see the movement, just changing the length of the content. Yeah, I think we're good for now. So now what we are going to do is the prototype section, guys. So you are going to link every single image to the specific place. For example, what I mean by that, I'm just going to say, okay, this girl, she's so far, maybe we start with this, the next video, and then come to the prototype section. When you come to the prototype, you can just drag to the next one, because as you can see, this is a strawberry, right? I believe this is what we call it in English. And then to here, okay, then let me just say you can give it a smart animation. So for videos we have many options, like you'll have this state management, which will be like the video we reset. For example, it will, every time you press on it, it will start from the beginning. So it doesn't matter, you can give it reset or whatsoever. I just want you to know about it, okay? And then when video end, yeah, when video end, okay, so let me just say this video here, it will be autoplay. It's already autoplay. All the videos here, they're already autoplay, so you don't need to change any settings. That's the good things. The only things we are going to focus is the linking. So this one will link here, and then this book will link to the next one, and then this one, I believe this one will link to the last one, yeah, because it's for the ladies. And then this one will link to this girl here. As you can see, you don't need to make any settings. The good things with the Figma, when you did one settings, you just need to keep going and following the thing. Okay, let's just drag on this. Yeah, as you can see, it link, but you can't see it because there's space between. And then you can just do for the book, drag it here for the girl, this lady, and then we have here this one will go to the last one, I think. Okay, this one, yeah, I think we're done with this. Then you go to the next one and so on. You can just link them, and then let's continue. I can just link this strawberry to the top one, and then this girl to the bottom one, this one to the last one, this one will go to the first video. I think we good. Did we link everything? Yeah. And then this one will go to the books. Okay, this one will go to the strawberry, this one will go to here, and then this one will go to the first video. This is how we make the prototyping too easy. Okay, and then this one will go to the top, this one will go to the first video, and this one will go to the, I think I believe it's the strawberry one, yeah, and then this one will go to the books. All right, guys, I think we finished the linking everything here. What we are going to do, we'll go to the asset and then drag our component inside here, and then let me just open it on prototype. I'm going to restart it by pressing R. Then we have, let me just see, still, as I told you, it will take time sometimes with the Figma to link everything, so it still is taking time. let me just see if everything is done now. Alright, our prototype is not working. 1 minute guys, I'll be back to you. Alright guys, I just make a little mistake here, so which is I forget to change the value of our action, because before it was when video end, we need to bring it on click. So you can just change for all of them. For example, let me just go to the first one here. Instead of video end, scroll up on click, and then you can just select all of them, just go through them one by one and press on click. Then we are good to go with this one. Alright guys, so what we are going to do now, we just make a little bit mistake. Don't be frustrated for that. Just press here and then go to select on click for all of them. Let's jump in, and then when you press here and then open it on prototype here, so now we have this video which is playing right now. For example, I reset it, okay, by pressing R. Now if you press this, you go to this video. When you press to the strawberry here, it come to the strawberry. When you press to this girl, it come here. When you press to this, when you press to the book, when you press to any of them, you have the video is playing and focus video playing. So as you can see, look at that. This is what we have here, right? Oh, okay, it's just taking, yeah. See, this is what we have here. The same things. So congratulations to yourself, you are rich. And middle of this video, I say middle of this video, yes, because as I promise you, I'm going to give you some tips and how to make some images carousel is as easy as you can. Okay, what we can do, we didn't finish yet guys. We have this option that you can also press here and then move on. So this will be too easy. And then what you are going to do, just select the arrow. We will have a little bit problem here because I'm being real with you guys. Like, this is what you are going to deal with on the real world project. For example, right now, if you are going to link this one, say for example, okay, next maybe this one. So the problem you will have is, let's just go back. Okay, I will reset my video. You are seeing we have the link here, but to reach out to the link is too difficult because the line is too small. We normally have a link prototype here. We have it here, right? And all the property is okay. So why we are not able to click on it? Let me just explain. The cursor is too, it's hard for the cursor to reach out here. So that's why what we are going to do for now, we are going to press on this and then create a frame. When you create the frame, I believe the frame is somewhere. Let me just go back to the layer. Then we'll have the frame here. Let me just go back to the design. We don't have any height. Okay, you can just add some height here. All right, let me just give it 50. Okay, let's just give the value okay, we have 50. Okay guys, we have 50 here, the width and the height. So now we are going to select the, let me just choose, okay, yeah, select the arrow, and then we are going to place it in the middle. Yeah, so why are we doing this? Maybe you can just push it a little bit up here, and okay, let me position it in the right place. Let me just make sure they are aligned. We are going to do the same things to the, so you can just copy this, okay, and then come to the next one. You will see why are we doing this right now, and then pass to replace. Oh no way, sorry, we are in the component, so it will be a little bit difficult to do the pass to replace. So what are we going to do? We don't have choose, we need to do the same things here, and then we frame it. In this video, as you can see, I didn't have chance to name all my frames, so I can just say arrow right. So you can name your frames before, after. So I can just give it 50 here. I give it 50 as we did for that one. We can just select the arrow, go to in the frame, select the arrow, and then bring it in the middle of the arrow, the frame, and then you can just make it a little bit bigger like this. So now I bring it a little bit top. Yeah, I think we're good now. So now you will see why did I make the prototype, make the frame. Sorry guys, you can just drag it here, right? When we drag it here, okay, let me give it frame, and then this one. Okay, this one is going where? Not this one. This one is going to the below one. Yeah, because it need to focus on this image. So the image is here, the video is here, then, and this, the next one will focus on this one. So now we go to our frame. Then I can just restart it. Now, because we already have the space, nice space that our cursor can focus on, see? But when I hover, you have it here. So now let me just press 1, and then it goes there, as you can see. And then I come here, press it, go to this one. As you can see, it's so easy when you make frame with the arrow. So you will have this challenge. That's why I just show it to you. So you can just now jump into the other arrows and then do the same things, just do the same things and link them to the specific section. So this is one of the challenge I'm going to give you. This I'm not going to show it to you because I already did it on the first one, so you can do the others. Alright guys, let's jump in. We already finished. We have the final version here. As you can see, you can press any of them and then they will come to focus. You can also add some shadow. So now let me show you another carousel, okay guys, that you can do as fast, as easy as you can through the same things, okay, the same one. As I show you, let me just duplicate it. Okay, I will give you some bonuses. So this is the basic, I can say it's basic one of the carousel, but it's look really clean, nice. You can use it for the images. So let's just start. I'm going to choose a rectangle here. Okay, we'll have a rectangle here. Maybe the value should be something. Okay, let me just say something like this. Okay, I will have this and then duplicate it. So I will have this space between, and I'm going to duplicate it some in different, maybe 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see here, we can see them. So to see it, you can just select the frame itself and then click on the clip content. So then you see the other section we have. So I'm going to upload some images from Unsplash. Just be with me guys. You see it's going to be really clean, nice. I'm going to select some animal image, this dog, this lion, this bird, this I need how many images? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6. I already select 6 and then I will just push it. As I show, you can just do long press and then send it. So now we have the images. Okay guys, I just realized something, that I need to increase a little bit the height. So I'm pressing command on the Mac and the control on PC. Yeah, so we have this nice carousel. I'm going to frame them together. Then I can just say carousel images. Oh, what did I even write? Sorry guys. Images. Yeah, so now we have this frame. Okay guys, let me just maybe move this. Don't think like this one is not part of the dashboard. You can just move it. As you can see, is because we press on this clip out, that's why. So what I'm going to do, I'm pressing shift and move. I'm selecting this, press shift and move it somewhere here. Okay, now I'm going to select, I'm doing command or control on on PC, and then bring the frame I create here, select this, and then I can just clip content. Okay guys, now we have this nice carousel. So it's clean, right? It's clean, but we have something left. I'm going to show you some tips. As I said, let me just open the prototype, guys. Okay, as you can see, now we have it. Now if you scroll, you can't scroll anywhere. So I'm going to select this and then go to the prototype. So in scrolling section, you can choose horizontal scroll. Maybe let's just come back here. Now we can look at that. Look at that, guys, as you can see. So this is how we create the carousel. So let me just add some nice cool interaction. I'm going to select the ellipse and then draw an ellipse like this, like that, out a little bit outside that cover, yeah, something like this. Okay, let me just say a little bit up. Okay, so we have this ellipse, and then I'm going to press, we should have some section which call, we should have somewhere that we can have a fix button. All right, and then I will bring this one here. Okay, so we just need to copy this and then we place. So when we, I believe you guys cannot see it, so before we have this color, okay, we can just make it white. Just change the color to white so that it will have the same color as the background. So let me just show you how now it looks. See, look at that. Guys, now you can just, as you can see, it's cool, right? It's much more better than the normal one, right? So this is how you can come up with some ideation. So as you can see, it's cool, really nice looking. By only adding this ellipse here, we have this nice animation. All right guys, thank you for watching. You reach at the end of this video. If you like this video, just give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. You can also give me any comment, and if you have any question, if you have any component that you want us to create, just write it in the comment below and I will look at it, and believe me, I will do a video for specifically for that comment. Thank you guys, see you next time.